you ever had one of those months where your salary comes in and before you even touch it, the money is all gone? Well, I remember going through that phase, and honestly, that point in time forced me to start searching for smaller ways to earn an extra income, and this was all by using my phone. I could do jobs for 30 to 45 minutes, especially if I had time. And one actual job stood out for me. I earned about $750. Now, before you raise an eyebrow, I am not sharing this to brag. I share this because things are hard and some of us really need something that works. This is not a get rich quick video. There are enough of those type of videos out there. I'm simply just sharing what has actually worked for me, and honestly, if you stay till the end, number 3 and number 4 are my personal go-to. This is just to let you know that even though these jobs are legitimate, nothing here is guaranteed. See what matches your background, skip what doesn't, and please make sure you read the instructions carefully. And before we dive in, I want to implore you to please share this video to a friend you feel will need this, and don't forget to smash the like button. So the first platform I want to share is one that surprises me till today. The people who use it are usually professionals, researchers, or companies that are trying to understand how things work in the real world. And what they're looking for is simple. Just people who have actually done something. So maybe you've worked in a clinic or a bank or retail or tech or HR or logistics, anything whatsoever. They match you with someone who needs your insight, and the task is usually just a short conversation about what you already know. Now, the setup is very professional, I must say, and the opportunities are usually higher paying than most places. Now, if you're that kind of person that enjoys sharing your experience, or you've worked in a structured field, then this one is something you need to check out. It's called GLG, and the reviews are solid. I have used it myself, and honestly, it is worth trying, especially when a project matches your background. Now, if that first one feels a bit too specialized for you, don't worry. This next platform attracts the same kind of people, like researchers, companies, and teams who need real opinions from everyday professionals. The difference here is the experience. It kind of feels a bit beginner friendly, which is good. You are simply sharing what you know, how things work where you live, maybe tools you have used, trends you have noticed, basically your honest experience in a role. Now, most sessions will run between 30 to 45 minutes, and if you ask me, they are pretty straightforward. If you've ever worked in corporate retail, healthcare, finance, tech, or even admin roles, then there is something for you. It is called Alpha Site, and it's one of the most trusted platforms in the space. Comes to communication, it is one of the cleanest I've seen. Payments are reliable, and if ever landed a session, then trust me, it's usually worth your time. Now, this next one is one of the most accessible platforms because it welcomes both professionals and everyday consumers. The people here are usually researchers, startups, companies that are trying to understand real user behaviors. Things like how you shop, what you think, what product do you choose, how do you make use of certain tools. You could handle simple surveys and recorded opinions to short interviews about specific service or a habit that they want information on. So you really do not need a specific background, but if you have maybe bought something online, or you've worked in a specific role or managed a household item, it's usually something for everyone. When it comes to the payouts, this varies because they are generally fair, and some of the projects pays surprisingly well depending on your profile. Now, this is called Respondent. It's one of my personal go-to because it's beginner friendly and opportunities refresh often. And if you want to join, I'm just going to leave the link below so you don't get confused searching for it online. Now, if you like varieties and you just want something that refreshes almost every single day, then this one is one of the busiest because the people behind it runs studies on every single topic you can think of, from family to habits to shopping to choices to banking experiences, daily routines, career journeys, apps. If you have used any one of this, then you can look it out. But what I love about this is that there is something for everyone: professionals, students, parents, workers, introverts, creatives. Everyone has a place here. Now, most jobs are simple: a quick interview, a product test, or you just sharing your experience about something you've already done in real life. And because they run so many studies at once, your chances of finding something that fits you are much higher. If you're curious, just look up user interviews, check their reviews. It's reliable, it's straightforward, and a really good option, especially if you're looking to make an extra income. And if you've made it all the way here and you're hearing these platforms for the first time, I want you to drop the word new in the comment section below. And if there is one you're thinking of trying, please tell me which one in the comments, and I really would like to know what you're leaning towards. And listen, if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is a good moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. Someone out there might really need this right now. Now, this platform is a bit different from others I've mentioned because the people here aren't just looking for interviews. They want a real life reaction. Brands and researchers, they basically use it to understand how people genuinely feel about their products, the app they're using, habits, or some daily routines. And most of the jobs comes in form of missions, or sometimes you record a short video, a clip, you answer quick prompts, you show how you use a product in real time. It's very casual, very human, nothing complicated. And because the missions require a bit of engagement, the payout is usually higher. Some people earn from simple dairy style tasks that takes a few minutes a day. So if you like sharing honest feedback, or you are comfortable using your camera, look into the Scout. The reviews are solid. This is one of the fun ways you can actually earn an extra income online. Alright family, I really hope something in this video gave you a bit of relief, or at least a starting point. Please remember to take what helps and leave what doesn't, and move at the pace that feels right for you. So if you want to keep going, I actually have another video where I shared what I personally do when I need money fast, and those ideas have saved me more than once. So if you are in that season right now, I want you to go ahead, wait, don't rush away yet, watch the next video, and as always, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.